Good evening, friends. Abhijit, Sanzgiri, practicing chartered accountant. I'm going to speak on my vision. Vision means looking forward. When I was in my college and studying, I think I was just going by the flow. I did my chartered accountancy, I did my law, I went into business. Suddenly some engagements came up for practice. I just took them. I was just going with the flow. I think I just didn't have the maturity enough to know what vision means and what do you plan for yourself in the future. It was only when a chance meeting with a couple of people that I realized what it means to have some goals and some overarching framework. And when I met one person who was about 40 years in his practice, and just casually when we were discussing, he just told me that the only reason that he is respected in his profession is because he is relevant and useful and helpful. So the lesson which I got from him was always be relevant, helpful and useful. Otherwise, nobody will respect you, nobody will recognize you. So I had that as my overarching framework when I framed my visions.